Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and today is Sunday. So I can't be formal about it. And today is Sunday. Today is a Sunday in my life. A fall Sunday routine, if you will. Just kidding, this is not a routine. Is any Sunday ever the same? This is what I have to deal with. I wish I vlogged yesterday, but I guess I can just have the memories for myself. But it was such a day that I should have vlogged. I tried a new coffee, went to the farmer's market, we got ice cream, we went to Target late night. Didn't even vlog. So right now we're going to get breakfast, and then we have some errands to run. So let's go get breakfast because we're hungry. That's not my name. What did you say? That's still an ham.
That's definitely not doing it. That kind of does look like that.
So, we accomplished task 1. We found chicken stock. No, vegetable stock.
Yes.
We found vegetable stock. Finally. And now we've been sitting here only for like 10 minutes. Oh, the mall doesn't open until 11, so we've just been sitting here waiting. I made a new Instagram post for my video today, so go watch that. Please. We could go get a picture.
Sure.
I don't know where. Maybe that wall.
Sure.
Made it in. There's like weirdly a lot of people here at 11 in the morning because they just opened. But Dylan needs some pants. So that's today's mission. How come boys' clothes are so cheap? He just found these on sale. $8 each.
Because they're probably from like 1920.
Right, yeah, that's it. Dylan is driving around while I wait in line because the line's out the door. I ended up with a pumpkin hot coffee with almond milk and one of their crullers. Came here for the fresh bread. They don't have any bread. So I think we're gonna go on a walk to town and try to get some bread at a different place for the soup tonight. And now I have my hands full. Okay, first cruller. Wait, you've had one before.
I've had one.
The classic?
What?
It's a classic cruller.
I don't know if the one that I had frosting on it, but I'm not sure.
Never had one.
So good. Just like fried dough.
It's like so light. I thought they were dense. That's so good.
Look at the air in there.
Yeah. They have cinnamon sugar ones too. But I thought I'd go with the classic. This is delicious.
Yeah.
Got stuck on the side of the bridge. The bridge is going up. What's it for? Oh, this sailboat? This coffee is just okay. Literally, this is what I have to deal with. He complains about the bridge being up, and now he's wearing his mask as a shield or guide.
Sunny G.
Alright, so we are home now. That was a fun morning. It's like 1:13 now. We ended up getting this focaccia bread from Tuscan Market, which if you know Tuscan Kitchen, they had one in Portsmouth and they have one in the Seaport in Boston. This is their like market, and so we got some focaccia. I'll cut it up. I'm gonna start the soup around like 3:30ish because it takes like 45 minutes. It takes like an hour to cook, but you need 45 minutes for it to simmer, and they're coming over at 5, so that should be a good time. I need to have some lunch. I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna have lunch, just threw in some laundry because we need to wash our masks really bad. Yeah, that's what's going on. We're gonna put on some football. No Patriots today, so that really stinks. All right, so watching football.
Quick.
And now I'm gonna start prepping the soup. So it's a recipe I have on my, saved on my Instagram. Right here, vegan food recipes. So I need to cut up carrots, celery, oh yeah, and 1 onion. Perfect. I got some yummy stuff from the farmer's market. Actually, I only got the broccoli. I got the rest of the grocery store, but I got other stuff. The broccoli is for stir fry this week, but I'm gonna cut up the celery and the carrots, and then we got this cute trick-or-treat basket last night. I need to cut that off for candy, but I did get this onion from the farmer's market. So I'm gonna cut this out. We're all chopped. Now I'm going to put this, a tablespoon of oil, salt and pepper, into a pan for 3 minutes at, what does it say? Over medium heat. So I need to turn this on. And we'll put them all in here with some olive oil, salt and pepper. The recipe that I'm using calls for potatoes, but I don't put potatoes in it because we were gonna put pasta in it anyway, so like we don't need the extra carbs, you know? Alright. We going?
Yeah.
So I added in some garlic. Now we have 2 zucchinis. I'm gonna add that.
Love your technique. And it lost a few points right there, but okay.
Alright, so we add our 2 zucchinis. We we added garlic. We need a 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. Should have got petite. Those are chunkas. Alright, mix her up. And then, let's see. Add garlic, stir for 1 minute, mix in diced tomatoes, vegetable stock, and zucchini. Bring to a boil, place lid on the pot, and simmer for 45 minutes. So we need the vegetable stock. And rosemary. The organic was cheaper than the regular.
It's probably not organic then.
Probably not. So we need 1.5 of these. We have half open already in the fridge. Do you think it's too old to use?
I would use a new one. But
I'll throw that one out. I think I counted it out last time. Like the cups.
I think that's good. When someone says, I think that's good, you always add a little bit more for extra measure.
Alright, so now we're just going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 45 minutes.
Woohoo!
So I didn't have it simmering high enough, but luckily they're running a little bit late, so I turned it up and now it's like really simmering. But when they get here, I'll throw in the pasta and the beans. I need to get the beans out actually. And where are the beans at? Oh, they're there. We cut up the bread. Oh, thanks, babe. We cut up the bread, put it in here. We're gonna put it in the oven on broil when they get here, so it's just like a little warm. Come over this way. We have the table set. We got salad. We've got balsamic and ranch. Need to get more balsamic at the store, actually. Out. Yeah. We only own 4 forks. So my mom has to bring one. Just wanted to give you an update.
Sweet.
Had to move my cube. Just make this look good. I don't know. Alright, hi guys. So I'm ending the vlog now because I forgot to vlog while everyone was here. But I just wanted to say, can Mike hear me?
No.
Okay. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed a Sunday in our life. We played some Cards Against Humanity, which was really funny. And had a good Sunday. Did you say it was a good Sunday?
It was a great Sunday. I love you.
Like and subscribe. Bye.